I have actually found a room that is clean. You have to excuse the linen outside because I've literally just finished cleaning it, but this will give you an idea of what the rooms are like inside. So these rooms, they are quite small. Let's go into the bathroom first, because it's right here by the entrance. So you have got your toilet, and then there's a sink, and very good water pressure, and toilet is very, very close together. And then you've got your shower, which is still quite spacey. And then you come into the room. There is a wardrobe with hangers. These hangers which you don't have hooks on, that you hook on these things, and spare blankets and spare pillows. Then you've got the main room. All these rooms are air conditioned, by the way, so they are nice and cool. Just putting one light on. They have bedside lights. There we go. So usually supplied as a twin bed, pillows, mosquito nets, towels, duvets. They are very comfy. I've been sleeping in these. They're very nice. These big stool things, which I still haven't quite worked out what they're for. Mirror with a desk thing, remote for the aircon, a chair, and then you've got your fridge and tea and coffee station, which again I think has the same problem. And over here, there's just one plug socket to use. And then you've got a little patio area outside, which is very nice. And these ones look out onto the bush, which is really nice, because that over there is the fence. So this is actually the nicest row to be in, right by the gate. And you can't actually order specific rooms, so you take what you get.